Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a custom activity status on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'm doing this on the PC app, but if you're on mobile, it's pretty much the same. Launch Discord. Where it says your username, right down at the bottom left of the screen, click on your avatar beside it. Now select Set a Custom Status. Write your custom status here. You can choose a time frame for your status to be shown before it's removed, or you can choose to keep it there indefinitely. Click the Save button once done. As you can see, my custom status has been updated, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.